Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 17 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really cool here. I never really thought about it until I got asked a question on YouTube, here on YouTube. It is how I fertilize, and I just thought about it now when I'm walking down this path that I've created with pavers. I have white zapote here and here. And I have apple here and here, okay? I don't want too tall of apples because I don't want to climb a ladder. I want really tall zapote, especially they're a part of the citrus family, they need more nitrogen, but I want taller white zapote because that's really cool and expensive fruit. I want more of that. And when they get heavy laden with fruit, they easily bend down and I don't have to get a ladder to get the fruit. But look at the ground. Do you see something different compared to the right and the left? Hopefully it's your right and left. I'm not too sure how it's going to come up in the video. A lot of green, no green. And you say, well, Moses, this is chickweed here. I love chickweed. It's delicious, nutritious, and the best green manure you can get in the late winter, early spring. Notice it's all here and not here. And people could say, oh, that's because there's no seeds fell over there. Yeah, right. The seeds just have to go this way and it'll be full. The reason why there's none here is because I rarely put nitrogen or very low amount. I would say 3 at the most, 3, 2, 1 or whatever, the NPK, the 3 on here. And this usually gets 12 blood meal. And look at the difference between the green. Between both sides. So your weeds tell you where the nitrogen is and where it isn't. Happy gardening, everyone.